We have in excess of $120 million in cash, less than $45 million in debt, and region 250 to 300 million in values of our assets, of our ships. I am the CEO of Imperial Petroleum, ticker symbol IMPP, and would like to briefly chat about the recent developments with our company. As I'm sure you've all seen, we had record results. We announced record results for Q4 last year. On top of that, we announced the termination of our at-the-market program. Therefore, will not be issuing any more shares under that program. And last but not least, we announced yesterday the management estimate of net asset value per share, which, as you saw, was significantly higher than the current market price of our shares. I'd like to remind you that we are a company that we are only 1 year old. We started as a spin-off of Stealth Gas in December 21. And despite that, we grew very fast, achieving a sizable fleet of mainly oil tankers. As you might have seen from our end of the year results, we had our net income was increased by 1,020%. Our EBITDA increased by 2,125%, and our annual net income was in the region of 30 million, which is approximately as much as our market cap. So we believe that we are greatly undervalued. We believe that investors will slowly see the real value in the company. We really see the timing of our moves that were executed flawlessly, and will understand that at these levels that the shares are trading at is the shares are a complete bargain, especially now that we have stopped the ATM and therefore we're not issuing any more shares, and of course especially after the announcement about the NAV per share, where people understand that the NAV per share is in the region of $1.36, and we are trading at a huge discount to that. So once more, please reevaluate the fundamentals of the company, check our trading history, check our trading volume, which is very big again for a company of our size and age. And obviously, if that makes sense, buy the IMPP shares that obviously look very cheap.
And again, right now, HealthGauge, this is a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. There's no question, right?
And what we want is we want our system to basically act like a doctor. So that's the research that we're working on.
Really, what you have is something that could be extremely useful for remote patient monitoring applications in a massive way. Especially because of the data that you're getting. I mean, essentially, you have a doctor in a box. Your AI is a doctor. I mean, the doctors, they might be offended. They might say, "Oh," but really, pretty close, no?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, we're not gonna, we don't look under your tongue and, and get you to say, and we can't put, like we can't do the things that doctors do.
You're right.
But
the fine points. I mean,
you can, but a lot of your health condition, like your body is just, it's called digital exhaust. Your body is just throwing off all this information all the time. And if you have the right intelligence, you can analyze amazing things about your condition.